If your Swiss meringue or Italian, whatever you prefer to use, if it is broken, not coming together, don't flip out. It will. And as you're whipping it, you probably need to heat it. So one of my tricks for heating it is this, which I'm not really gonna do very much because I don't want to heat this very much, but torch the bowl. Now, do not stand there with your cabinets right here with your torch like this and light your house on fire.
That would be bad.
That would be awful.
Okay.
And then I'll get blamed. So don't do that.
So how long would you heat it up at the bottom?
Just keep like going around the bowl, heat the bowl, heat the bowl, and then just go around a couple times and then back off. Let it whip and come together. And then if it's not, heat it a little bit more again. You'll get it down. You'll figure it out. Okay, I have a piece of acetate here, plastic acetate that, what do I want to do with this? I want to go short ways. And I'm gonna smooth out my inner ring here a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to little spatula.
That's going to be a cabbage, perhaps?
This will be the cabbage.
Okay. Okay.
I know. We could make some of the structure of the rabbit out of cake, and I do prefer to make things out of cake, but I find a lot of times that, especially when people are starting out, it's a little bit easier to form Rice Krispies.
Yeah.
And even though that's not cake, especially for a cake of this nature that's cute and fun and for Easter, and you're probably gonna have kids around. Kids love to like be able to grab that carrot and not start munching on it. And it's Rice Krispie treats with yummy fondant on the outside. Yummy fondant.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's
Not
the secret.
nasty.
Not the nasty
fondant.
fondant. The yummy fondant.
Now let me tell you about the yummy fondant. You can get it online. You can try and find it in your local cake supply shop, not your craft shop. Fonderific is available online. Felklin, which is the best tasting stuff, I think, is available from chefrubber.com. You can get the new Fat Daddy-O's fondant from fatdaddyos.com, and that tastes really good. For our bark, I've got 2 sheets of parchment here. I have just a regular heating pad for your back that is wedged in another bowl.
Okay, big bowl.
So I've got tempered chocolate here. If you don't know how to temper chocolate, we do have a class on YummyArts that I did that is all about tempering chocolate. So
Excellent.
Go see that one. We don't have time to do that right now. That's a whole nother class. So I have tempered chocolate in here, and this heating pad here is keeping it warm at 89 degrees where I want it.
That's awesome.
It's super fantastic. You know, you learn these tricks when you have to do ridiculous TV shows.
Yes.
And you have to keep your chocolate tempered for a long time and keep it holding.
That's just a regular heating pad like you get at the store.
I just take the cover off so it's just plastic so I can clean it.
Excellent.
Hold on. Make sure I have the right tool out before I start this. Here it is. Okay. So we're gonna pour some, oops, that's a chunk that I just scraped into there.
What kind of chocolate is this?
This is Guittard.
Ooh, tasty.
58% semi-sweet. Let's see if we did enough there. And there's the La Nuit Noire right back there.
We'll get a close-up.
That's available in
a
a lot of really nice cooking supply places. I'm sure you can find it online also.
Yeah, it's way tasty.
It's really good stuff. Okay, so I'm spreading this out nice and thin. Trying to use up all my parchment if possible.